Okay, this is a movie for everybody that's missing the cats. So this is Cookie. Say something, Cookie. Okay, thank you. Alright, your time's over. This is Callie.
Pat her on the head.
Hi, Callie. Say something, Callie.
Meow.
Callie doesn't say anything. She said, I don't talk. I just kind of run around and act like everybody's trying to murder me. That's all I do. Okay, that's Callie. There's her royal princess born of royal blood, according to Stephanie. She doesn't do anything else except get me in trouble. That's all she does. This is Chinese Precious, and this is Sleepy Precious, and
she has a new collar on Precious.
And this is Pointed Ear Precious, and this is Flat Ear Precious.
Okay, and look at my new collar, Papa.
And a new collar and like
bright pink.
Like who cares? Okay, and here's Pandora, who gets along with everybody. And she's here. So there's the Pandora cat. Getting that head rub. Got a little motor action going here. Okay.
Cookie just hissed at Precious like his mama.
So there's Precious running around and doing whatever she's doing. And here's the Cookie Monster again. Okay. Yeah, I know. You're finally in the treehouse, aren't you? Yeah, that's right. Okay. And there is Callie. You don't have to run away. Nobody's going to kill you. Alice says this is kid stuff. Chasing acorns is like the case for like kids. Not me. I'm not an acorn chaser. Pandora says I'm not an acorn chaser. Cookie says this is kid stuff. This stuff is for the kids. Okay, that's the end of this movie.